can't get enough. Pass to Jollof.
I'll wait over to the van and then get the spare key program. This is a 2023 Peugeot partner, just to show right now. This is currently the program key. Customer wants a spare key, so this is not working at the moment. Working key, no working key, see the dash. Working key. Put it there, check that. Yeah. Starts the car, that's the working key, confirm. And this one doesn't do anything. See? So we're gonna go ahead and program this key. And key learning has been successful for a 2023 Peugeot partner. This is the new program key. Yep. And the old working key. Those two works. Happy days. Now let's just test this key. Make sure that it starts in the ignition. This is the key now on this program. Bash, look at that. And let's test the old working key. Make sure that works. Bash, look at that. There we go. And thank you for using Locksmith Auto Locksmith. Now let's go and speak to the customer and collect payment.